Page 656, number 21. In this example, we're given a sequence, and we are told in the directions in the book that it is an arithmetic sequence. And we're asked to find 4 different things about the sequence: the common difference, the 10th term, a recursive rule, and an explicit rule. But even if we didn't know that it was arithmetic, you can see that by looking how we go from term to term and seeing that we're adding 4 every time, which would make it arithmetic. So that means that our common difference is going to be 4. Now I'm going to delay doing part B until I find a rule for this, because I don't want to sit here and just keep adding 4 every time. Our recursive rule then looks like this: a sub n equals a to the n minus 1 plus d. So in this case, our recursive rule is going to be a minus 1 plus 4. So that's our recursive rule. And our explicit rule has this form: a sub n equals a1 plus n minus 1 times d, which in this case will equal our first term, which is 6, plus n minus 1 times 4. Or if you want to simplify that, you get a sub n equals 4n plus 2. So I'm going to use this rule to find my 10th term, because now n equals 10. So a sub 10 is going to equal 4 times 10 plus 2, which is 42.